Well, it looks like it's the end of another American icon. Toys R Us, been in business a very long time. I used to take my son there, even bought a few Xbox games. They are planning to go out of business, it seems. Very sad. They're in a liquidation process, as it is called. It looks like they will close all of its 800 plus stores here in the United States. Very sad to see another retailer go bust. Well, finally, there is an interesting article on datamation.com, Windows versus Linux 2018. I won't read all of this, but if you scroll down, let's see, is Windows better than Linux? Yes. Is Linux better than Windows? Yes, depending what you have to use your desktop for. Interesting article, check it out. I'll have a link for this specific article below in the show notes. So I use both in case you are wondering. I dual boot, and I enjoy dual booting, although nowadays I tend to use Linux more than Windows. Alright, well that's all I have for this one. I think the next Linux desktop I will test will be the next Ubuntu Mate 18.04. Ubuntu Mate, my current Linux of choice to replace your Windows operating system. Check it out. Alright, that's it for this daily tech brief. I'll catch you on the next one. Arrivederci.